Happy birthday. Oh my goodness. Ang aking ate at kuya, imagine, it's been a long time. But it's so nice that we are able to celebrate and have a grand reunion dito sa by the lake. Really nice. Hope you guys are having fun. Again, happy birthday.
Oh Lord. Happy birthday to Lawrence. It's great to be celebrating your 60th birthday here and together with the Wednesday Club in this nice place. And I have a lot of things to celebrate seeing you guys and seeing everybody.
It's so nice to celebrate your birthday with you this year. Happy birthday, Tita Lorna. And also happy birthday to your dad.
Happy birthday, Tita Lo.
Hi guys! Ingit naman ako sa inyo. Sama-sama kayo ngayon dyan. Sana naman next time dito naman sa Edmonton. Dito kayo mag-reunion. We'll go to the mountains. Diba? Anyway, happy birthday 60th to Maring Lorna. And happy 59th to Paring Mike. Enjoy kayong lahat dyan. I miss you guys. And sana kita-kits tayo anytime soon. Bye guys. Miss you. Love you guys. Bye.
Tatandaan nyo pa, nung araw, tuwing Miyerkules, magkikita-kita tayo sa Baklaran. Magsisimba tayo, magnonovena. Pagkatapos nun, kahit saan na tayo mag-end up. Kakain, gigimik. Minsan, pag walang pera, sa harap lang ng bahay ni na Lorna, sa terrace ni na Lorna.
Happy ako, nagkasama-sama tayo sa tagal din ng panahon. Naalala ko tuloy mga gimmick natin ng araw. Ito ang pambato namin pagdating sa mga kantahan. Si Mike naman, ating designated driver. Sana yung ibang tropa tayo talagang marami yan. Hi, Lawrence. Happy birthday.
Hello.
That's a good thing, yeah. Happy. Wishing you more birthdays to come.
And also to Mikey.
And also Mikey.
Happy birthday, Tita Lorna. Happy birthday, Tita Mike.
Hi to Lawrence, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday nga. Oh, good thing nakita ulit tayo ngayon. Hopefully next year again. Bye.
Insan, happy birthday! Ito naglalabat. It's nice to get together na tayo. Malapit ang birthday mo sa Martes ba?
7. Kailan ba 7? Yeah. Wednesday.
Happy birthday, Insan. We love you as you know that. Good health, good vibes, good fortune, always. Love you.
Been running so hard. What I need is to unwind. The voice of reason is what I left so far behind. I've waited so long to play this part and just remember that I've forgotten about my heart. Head over heels, where should I go? Can't stop myself.
Hey, wait, guys!